Hi pretties, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I'm super excited about this video because it's very different than any wig review I've ever done. So I'm going to be showing you what I do from start to finish to actually style my wig so you can see how I get it like this. This is a collaboration with Wigtypes and Outre. So I would like to take the time to thank both companies for working on me with this collaboration. Y'all are familiar with both companies, they're super popular. All of their social media information will be down in the description box, as well as the link to where you can get this unit from. Hey pretties, what's up? So this is the styling portion of this tutorial. So y'all see the unit, it's an Outre unit. Her name is Jasmine and I have her in the color DX3033. It's a Swiss lace with L parting. That's what it's called, L parting. So let's go into the tools that you're gonna need. You're gonna need some type of brush, comb, a leave-in conditioner, edge control. I like the 24-hour super hold, eco styler gel, and then you're also going to need scissors to cut the lace with and a comb for your baby hairs. For your parting, you can use a powder foundation or you can use a cream concealer, so whatever you have works. All right, let me pull this back, show y'all these edges, what they looking like. Still cute though, still cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush my hairline down. I have a very overachieving edges in a hairline, so I just have to get them all down so they're not in the rest of my hair, and I'm not doing too much with the baby hairs. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my edge control. Now I will say it's best to do your makeup after, like do your edges before, but just for the sake of this video I did my makeup before, so you can kind of see the makeup getting in the edge control. I do go ahead and clean that up, but basically just swoop, swirl, do whatever you do with your edges, have fun with it, okay? So once you have your edges all laid in place like so, I have 4C natural hair. If you're not 4C, you may not need to do this, but I find if I put some gel on my edges, a little bit of Eco Styler gel, it will hold my edges tighter and more firm, and my edges can last me a couple of days. So after I put all of that product on there, I'm going to go ahead and tie a scarf up on my head, and I'm just going to let it sit in the scarf for about, I don't know, like 15-20 minutes for the rest of the tutorial while I do everything else. All right, so ooh, the face was sitting right there, right? Anywho's, I'm going to go ahead and just show y'all what the unit is looking like. I'm loving that color blend. It is really, really, really pretty. This is what the parting space is looking like. It's kind of tight, so what I'm going to have to do is tweeze out the parting just a little bit. I would suggest that you do this on a mannequin, but I kind of wanted to get up close and show y'all like how I do this, or how you can even just be, you know, watching a TV show for a couple of minutes and tweeze this out. This is not nothing tedious like a lace front or anything. Just take an additional 15 minutes and just tweeze out the parting so it can be very natural and very realistic looking. So this is what it looks like. For some reason the camera couldn't focus too good, but you can see the parting is a lot more open and it's going to give a lot more of a realistic feel. So I'm gonna snatch that cap off, let y'all see me all in my wig cap and everything. It's all good though. Just showing y'all a little bit of in-shot construction. Y'all know what that looks like. And now I'm going to take my scissors and cut off the lace. You can either do this on your hair or do this on a mannequin. I do this so much I know how my hairline is. I know how to cut it. But if it's your first time, I would suggest doing it on your head. That's just the best way to do this. So now that the lace is all cut off, I'm going to go ahead and put the unit on my head. And this part is very crucial, guys. So try to determine how you want your unit to look. Like, do you want it to the side? Do you want it in the middle? Sometimes units are versatile like that. They can be worn to the side or the middle. Sometimes they're not. But basically, situate it on your head. Like, you cannot take your unit and just take it out of the packaging and expect for it to look how you want it to look right away. You have to really do some work to it. So now I'm just brushing through it, flipping it around, trying to see how it looks. Got a little hair in the mouth, and just trying to see how those waves are all going to go, pulling out my edges, things like that. Take your time. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my concealer. I'm using LA Girl Fawn, and I'm going to put that down into my parting with an angled brush. And then I take my finger and tap it down. And to further create the illusion that This is a realistic parting space. I'm going to take my flat iron or curling wand. This is a very old trick, and you just tap it right there. So as you can see, there is no line. You don't see any lines or anything like that. I just tap it, hold it for like 5 or 7 seconds, and as you can see, there's no line. The parting, it just looks like it's growing out of my head perfectly. When I'm done with that, I take some leave-in conditioner spray. This just adds a lot of nice shine and body to the hair. And it also helps mold the curls together. If I have any type of curly unit or even the slightest curl, it really molds them together. So I like to brush everything in place. And I'm just checking, giving it my final check, and I think it looks pretty good. So this is what it's looking like right now. She's really cute, right? So did y'all enjoy that styling tutorial as much as I enjoyed creating it for y'all? I really hope you did. I wanted to take a few seconds just to go into some things I like, any dislikes I may have had about the unit, things like that. So you already seen the specs. We went through all of that. I'm not going to bore you with that again. So getting into my opinion of this unit. So I have to say, at first sight, I was just not feeling the unit. I thought it was kind of on the thinner side. I didn't understand why it was just kind of like so spacey and everything like that. But initially going back and really looking at and reading the email that I did get from the company, I took into consideration that this unit was intended specifically for summer. So when I thought about it, I was like, you know, De'Ara, you haven't been wearing wigs because you keep saying it's too hot and everything is too hot. And I thought about like me sitting here, y'all, I'm under studio lights. So it gets very, very, very hot. And this is the first unit I've put on, and I'm not inching to like snatch this wig off as soon as I turn the record button off. So I was like, you know what? I can deal with the hair not being super diva-licious thick if I'm gonna be cool for the summer. So, you know, there's certain engagements that I go to that, you know, I just feel more comfortable wearing a unit or wearing whatever extensions or whatever. So this would definitely be a unit that I can wear and I can still be cool and comfortable in. So I really, really, really like that about the unit. Another one of the cons I would have to say was the parting space, but again, it's a very easy fix as I explained in the styling tutorial. Just have time, have patience, don't overdo it. Put the concealer in first, like I said, and then go back in and tweeze it. So my pros for the unit is definitely, I love this whole, how it goes from the curl and then it goes down into like a slight bump. It screams summer to me. Like it screams that effortless look. Like maybe I curled my hair last night, go out on the town. Now tomorrow is brunch, or I'm going on a cute little date to the museum with my girlfriend. And it's so, so, so cute to me. I love the coloring of this unit. Outre always knocks it out of the ballpark when it comes to coloring units. Overall, I really like the unit. I'm really enjoying the units, and I hope that y'all are gonna get it. Are y'all gonna get this unit? Because I think that you should definitely pick up one of these units for summer so you can be cute and not hot and not sweaty. Thank God. Like, Outre knew what they were doing with this one. Definitely give this a 4 stars out of 5 stars. And yeah, comment down below and let me know if you're going to be getting this unit. I'll see you on the next video. Until then, stay pretty. I'm out.